As someone deeply immersed in the world of project management, I often encounter questions from individuals eager to streamline their workflows and gain better control over their projects. One query that frequently surfaces, particularly from those transitioning from traditional project management software, is, can Smartsheet open project files? It's a valid question, born from the familiarity with file-based systems like Microsoft Project, where project plans are saved as individual .mpp files. Understanding how Smartsheet handles project data is crucial for anyone looking to leverage its collaborative and dynamic capabilities. So, let's get straight to the heart of the matter. No, Smartsheet cannot directly open and import native project files like .mpp, Microsoft Project, .pod, PlanView Project Place, or similar formats. Now, before you feel disheartened, it's essential to understand why this is the case and, more importantly, what Smartsheet can do to seamlessly integrate and manage your project data. Smartsheet operates on a fundamentally different architecture than traditional, file-based project management software. Instead of relying on individual files, Smartsheet utilizes a cloud-based, collaborative platform where project information is organized within sheets. Think of a Smartsheet sheet as a dynamic, enhanced spreadsheet. It's more than just rows and columns. It's a powerful database where you can track tasks, assign responsibilities, manage deadlines, monitor progress, and even automate workflows. This cloud-centric approach offers several advantages, including real-time collaboration, accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection, and robust version control. Bridging the gap. Importing data into Smartsheet. While Smartsheet doesn't open native project files directly, it provides several robust methods for importing project data from various sources, allowing you to bring your existing plans into its flexible environment. Here's a breakdown of the common approaches. 1. Importing from Microsoft Excel. This is often the most straightforward method, especially if you've exported your project data from other tools into an Excel spreadsheet, .xls or .xlsx. Smartsheet offers a seamless import process where you can map the columns in your Excel file to the corresponding columns in your Smartsheet. This allows you to bring in task names, durations, start and end dates, predecessors, assignees, and other relevant information. How it works. Navigate to the Home tab in Smartsheet. Click on Create and select Import Data. Choose Microsoft Excel and upload your file. Follow the on-screen prompts to map your columns and configure the import settings. 2. Copying and pasting. For smaller projects or specific sections of a larger plan, you can directly copy data from a spreadsheet like Excel or Google Sheets and paste it into a Smartsheet. Ensure that the columns in your source spreadsheet align with the columns you've set up in your Smartsheet for a clean transfer. 3. Using the Microsoft Project MPP import option via a connected app. While Smartsheet doesn't natively open .mpp files, it offers a connection to Microsoft Project through its connectors or integrations. This often involves using a third-party connector or Smartsheet's built-in integration capabilities to import data from Microsoft Project online or desktop versions. The exact steps might vary depending on the specific integration you're using. Key considerations for importing. Column mapping. Pay close attention to mapping your columns correctly during the import process. Ensure that the data types in your source file align with the column types in Smartsheet, e.g., text/number, date, contact list. Hierarchy. If your original project plan has a hierarchical structure, indentation for subtasks, Smartsheet can often preserve this structure during the import, allowing you to maintain your work breakdown structure, WBS, dependencies and predecessors. When importing from tools that support task dependencies, Smartsheet can usually recognize and establish these relationships, ensuring your schedule remains accurate. Resource allocation. Importing resource assignments might require careful mapping to ensure your team members are correctly assigned to tasks in Smartsheet.